Can you write the answer of question number 14 in less than 5 seconds? It is plus minus 4 upon 7. So how it is plus minus 4 upon 7? Let's solve it. Okay, so the square root which has nothing over here is having a power 1 upon 2. So what we will do is we will find the perfect square. 4 4s are 16, right? And 7 7s are 49, right? Under root plus minus. So we can take 4 out of square root and then 7 out of square root, and then we'll be having plus and minus. That is how the answer is plus minus 4 upon 7. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.